Hello,
Hi.
everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Dr. Richard Bartlett and Chella Ferrow here. So we have some goodies in store for you. I don't know, it's post-Halloween, but we have some tips and tricks for you from the bag of the wizard. And I suppose I'm looking sort of wizardly these days, but really everything that is in the quote weird healing arts, if you want to call it that, is it's based on magic. Now, not magic with a lot of incantations, a lot of ritual and all that. Those are techniques. No, we're talking about the very core of magic, which is the heart and the ability to sink into a pattern and follow the pattern. And this is something I've been doing for 30 years and getting a little better at it, particularly after I started working at a distance on Skype, because the cues that you would normally have of a body in front of you are not there. So you have to use other cues, sympathetic magic. I'm very sympathetic to Batman, so sympathetic magic with Batman. Uh, and this is all very, very immensely powerful and very useful for the quote average individual, if there ever were such a thing, because you are all so unique and wonderful. So I'll let Chella talk to you about what we have in mind for you.
Hi, everyone. So we have an exciting opportunity here for you that will be beginning on November the 17th. It'll be a 3-day seminar, and we've entitled it Wizards, Tips, and Tricks, Dropping into the Magic. And you will have the opportunity to ask us any question that you wish to ask based on our current knowledge base, or perhaps you will expand our knowledge base, which always happens when we come together. So your questions will be our touchstones really to drop deeper into the magic and as Richard said, explore ourselves as pattern, explore it ever more viscerally in real time together. So we'll be exploring ways of interacting with patterns in very precise ways, magical and precise ways. There's always the possibility of an instantaneous communication with what we experiences ourselves in any given moment. Whatever you may be struggling with, any form of obstruction to the flow, any form of suffering, whether it be physical or psycho-emotional, or even something that you can't quite name or put your finger on because you don't really know what it is. Well, we'll be exploring all of that in very practical ways. So whether you've taken MED, holo sets, even matrix, um, the mystic's path, all of it, you're invited to come and ask what you wish to and see where it takes
And
us.
your questions provide a template for what the seminar unfolds. And this is the beauty of learning to follow a pattern, not having a set agenda, but yet being able to have enough tips and tricks and tools to be able to go wherever that information takes you and to do it efficiently, quickly, and easily. And so that's what we want for you. We want it to be the very creme de creme of both velvet and steel, the soft and
Mhm.
hard approach, the taekwondo and the kung fu, because sometimes you want to go to a pattern directly and go head on into a problem, and sometimes you want to go around it, within yourself. There are so many ways, and we hope to unfold all of that for you.
Yes, and the more of these readily accessible tips and tricks you have at your fingertips, the more references you have for something magical to happen right here in real time that is outside the realm of your expectations. So now you have a beautiful still point from which to drop into the unknown in the future at any given moment.
Get into the captain's chair of the Starship Enterprise and join us.
Yes, please do. Join us. We're feeling it's going to be 3 hours a day, so that'll be 6 hours altogether, starting
Nine
on
hours,
Thursday, the
nine
17th
hours,
of November.
9 hours,
I
nine
mean, nine
hours.
hours. Pardon me, 9 hours. Yes.
If
It was
six
going to
or
be
nine,
six,
it's a
but
Jimi Hendrix song.
mm,
So enjoy moving into the confusion, sometimes the contusions, and learning by doing in the moment. That's the key. And that's what we want to really deepen with you. So we'll see you there.
see you soon. Bye.